How do I set up my voicemail?
Hello there. In today's video, we will walk you through the steps to set up your voicemail. Voicemail can be an essential tool for when you're unavailable to take calls. Ensuring it's set up correctly can make a significant difference in your communication experience.
Why is setting up voicemail important?
Setting up your voicemail is crucial because 1. It allows callers to leave a message when you can't answer. 2. Professional greetings can enhance your personal or business image. 3. It ensures you don't miss out on important messages and updates.
What do you need before starting?
Before you begin, 1. Ensure your phone is charged and you have a stable connection. 2. Be in a quiet environment to record a clear greeting. 3. Have a rough idea or script of what you want your greeting to say.
Setting up voicemail on a smartphone.
For Android, 1. Open the phone app, typically found at the bottom of your home screen. 2. Tap on the three-dot icon or menu button, often located at the top right corner. 3. Select Settings or Call Settings. 4. Look for Voicemail Settings or a similar option. 5. Tap on Setup or Voicemail Setup. 6. Follow the prompts to record your greeting and set up a voicemail password. For iPhone, 1. Open the phone app. 2. Tap on the Voicemail tab, usually at the bottom right. 3. Tap Setup Now. 4. Create a voicemail password and tap Done. 5. Record your greeting by selecting Custom, then Record. Once done, tap Stop and save.
Tips for recording a great greeting.
1. Keep it short and sweet. Aim for a message that's 20 to 30 seconds. 2. Be clear. Speak slowly and articulate your words. 3. Include essential details. If you're using it for business, mention your company's name, hours of operation, and when the caller can expect a return call. Setting up your voicemail is a straightforward process, but it can make a significant difference in your communication. With a well-set voicemail, you ensure that you never miss out on vital messages. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you now feel confident in setting up your voicemail. Cheers!